Hi guys, it's Gaz here on the Gaz World Motorcycle channel. I'm here at Claycross Kawasaki in Chesterfield, Derbyshire, which is in the UK. I'm here to do a walk around on this 2022 Benelli TRK 502 adventure bike, which is in white. They also do red, blue and grey. The engine on this is a 500cc inline 2-cylinder 4-stroke liquid cooled, 4 valve, double overhead cam, and it's a Euro 5 engine. It's got a power of 47.6 bhp at 8,500 rpm. It's got 45 newton meters of torque at 5,000 rpm. There's your oil check window. This motorcycle, this Benelli, it was voted in the best selling motorbike in Italy in 2021, and I must say, after seeing this bike in the flesh, I can honestly agree. The ground clearance is 190mm. Your exhaust. Welcome to the channel. Like I say, if you like motorcycle videos in detail, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I've got plenty of content coming soon, are all different brands and bikes. There's your black frame and engine guard protection, which comes as standard. Your Benelli TRK graphics. You've got your hand guards, which you've got your TRK logos on the front. So your front suspension is adjustable upside down fork with a travel of 135mm. You've got 12 spoke metallic grey 17-inch aluminium wheels and Pirelli tyres. And your front brakes are a twin semi-floating disc with a 4-piston caliper and ABS, with a disc size of 320mm. Just on the front mudguard you can see the fender extender, which stops a lot of dirt going up onto your exhaust headers. You've got your LED indicators all around, front and rear. Decent size windscreen, which comes as standard in clear. Twin LED headlight, and then you've got your front beak, which adds to your aerodynamics. Keep that front end down. The wheelbase on this bike is 1,525mm. The height, excluding mirrors, is 1,235mm. You've got a width of 912mm, and the total length is 2170mm. And I'll just go in and show you the seat height, which is 800mm. The total weight of this bike is 213 kilograms, and there you've just seen it, which is your pannier frames. Basically for your pannier rack. You've got a 20-litre petrol tank on there, which is plenty. And for the 2022 model, you've got the updated grips with the TRK logo. You've got blue backlit instrument buttons, as you can see, looks really nice. You've got adjustable handlebars, a colour digital dash, as you can see, and on this one you've got an adjustable clutch lever. I mean, for the money, this adventure bike is absolutely amazing. A friend of mine's just bought a Yamaha Tracer and he's probably wishing that he might have bought one of these. He paid £6,000 second hand, you see. This rear suspension is a swing arm type, which has got a central shock and it's got a preload adjustable. It's got a travel of 45mm. Your rear brake is a single disc with single caliper and ABS. It's got a disc size of 260mm. Like I said, 4K videos, so you can see in detail of the actual bikes. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. You've got LED tail light and indicators, and then your rear guard, which helps to stop your rain and splashing when you're riding in rain or bad weather. Helps to keep that muck down. Obviously chain driven. You've got a 6-speed gearbox and it's a wet clutch type. Like I said, they do other colours in this bike, and they do look really nice in red and blue, and the grey looks really nice. Like I said, Benelli are Italian company, but these do get made in China, but trust me, the quality on these bikes are amazing. For the money, you know, you can't go wrong really. So I'll just show you around it so you can see. I'll just start the bike up so you can hear it, see what you think. If you would like to buy this Benelli TRK 502, the price is £5,999 on the road, which is an amazing value. Like I say, I'm here at Claycross Kawasaki in Chesterfield. I'll put a link to their website in the description below, so you can contact the sales team if you want to buy this bike. I've been Gazworld on the Gazworld Motorcycle channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Thank you.